What's up, people? SR60 Natural here, season 5 of Rebuilding Raphael Morrison. I know we have not gone far. This career has been a flop, a shambles, but it will turn around. So he's playing for Paris. He wanted to join back at loss of being a pain, so he's joining back his native club. Oh man, close. We're aiming for the league. He's doing everything he can. Let's go. Yes, Raphael. Good season. Already scoring goals. He's ready to help his team win the league. He knows what's at stake. And this season he man won the league, manly trophies. Close. Oh, what a goal. Oh, darn. Man want to join Arsenal and Lazio, all them clubs, so we got to help him. Oh no, they scored. Let's go. He scored the header. Equalizer. He know what he's doing. He's the GOAT. What an assist. He's too good. He's Raphael, good. Too good. Glorious. Delicious. And never mind, but he should try to get to the player. Oh, shoot. Let's go. Need one more goal to secure it. Is it goal? Let's go. Yes, Raphael. Let's go. PSG 2.0, he's doing good. These are other fixtures. I want to stay in the club as long as I can. Let's go. What a pass. Oh no. Oh, I didn't even know he. Oh, that's a goal. Let's go. Yes, Raphael. Intense. Let's go, Raphael. What a goal, geezer. Boy, you're showing the vision why they need you. Let's go. Feel free. We just need to just carry on winning. Man just got to carry on winning. Stay oh, you can't get the ball off me. I'm too good. Raphael's too good. You can't stop a scorer, man. You need 8 defenders, only 6 defenders. Jeez. Oh, snap. Okay. Oh, no. A little bit too far. Hopefully he can get the assist. Man. Hey, he's gonna need to score. He's gonna have to. The goal, Rafael Morrison. What could have been a good career at United if he was with the correct friend group at the time. Let's go. Conquer. They're the team. Little pass. Goal. Glorious. Delicious, Rafael. And it's our team scored. That's good. Little pass. Oh no. It's okay. It's 3-0. Game over. Or should let me just have some fun with these Teletubbies. It's it. Nala. And oh wow. a little bit cocky, but it's okay. Because we're top of the league. Look. No one have gone even, so we can run away with the league. It can just be a running away league, which is glorious. Last season was a painful season for the boys, and I don't want to experience that again. I want to win trophies, and I want promotion. That's the important part. Let's go, what a shot. Glorious. Let's go, what a pass, Rafael. Oh, what an assist. Let's go. What a goal. Let's go. Hey, man is making a spotlight. He's smart about what he do for marketing. He's very smart and dedicated. What a pass. This is PSG 2.0. No. Oh, days. What a pass. Oh, he poised. Close. What a pass. Oh, come on. Let me have one last time for the. Yes. I can't play around with dribbling. Got to score. Got to score. Assist it. Hate is my hate, but that was a very good game. And entertaining. I loved it. That was fun. Football's meant to be fun and serious as well, but mostly fun. Let's go. What an assist. Let's go. Pass. Dribble pass. Dribble pass. Let's go. Hold on. Can he score? Can he score? Let's go. He can. He's the goat. The goat. Oh no. Come on. Don't let them score. Please. Come on. Let's go. This is too good. Ravel team is too good. He have transformed the team. Sorry, fans. Ravel's the marksman of PSG 2.0. Oh, that was meant to hit the post. I said it to try to assist it, but it flopped. Oh well. No. Oh, it's okay. Give me that. But our team won. That what matters. Okay, Leon is next. I'm not even worried at this rate. The PSG, they're like. Really thought you're gonna beat my team. Yeah, you can't. You ain't gonna beat them. You don't got what we got. You don't got what our team got. What? What he missed? What? No. So. Oh my. Yeah, he scored. What? No. Well, my team got humbled. Damn. That does not feel nice. It's okay. Header. Oh. They need me to go back to school, don't they? Because if I don't score, I'm gonna get dropped. Teammate like a party. I didn't even. Never mind. My team is more focused on the league. The cup is just a side team. Oh man, Clive. But GG's for the world effort. Now that's a goal. That's my friend. Wow. What? Oh my days. Never mind. We're focused on the league. So it's the 7th. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Oh my days. No. How is that even possible? That they're humbling PSG 2.0. How is this even what football turned into? Now it's a dog fest for the league and title. Oh, this is dog fest. This got to be a win. Oh my days. Jeez. Wow, they actually. I'm not even surprised. You expect me to play after the players are lazy, the mentality is poor, none of them look like they want to win the league. They order on paydays. No way. Oh, I'm not surprised. But I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and peace. It's all 16 Natural out.